I just want to note yung sinabi sa Supreme Court decision na immediately executory, di ba? So anong kaibahan ng i-table at saka i-archive? Yung i-table, simpleng salita, isang tabi muna. So meaning buhay siya pero hindi muna dinidiscuss. So ang problema kung ite-table namin yung motion ni Senator Marcoleta, ibig sabihin nun, nandyan pa, hindi namin ginagalaw, pero nandyan pa yung case. Labag yun sa sinabi ng Supreme Court na immediately executory. Pero kung isang tabi mo, ibig sabihin buhay siya, pero pag naging final yung decision, pwede mong patayin. So ang kaibahan naman nung motion na pinasa natin ngayon na in-archive na siya, na sinunod yung Supreme Court decision, pinatay na siya. So kung ma-reconsider ng Supreme Court, pwede mong buhayin. So in one sense, many people will say, hindi ba pareho lang yon na yung buhay pwede mong patayin, yung patay pwede mong buhayin. Magkaiba siya because we live under a constitutional democracy. Na pag nag-decision ng Supreme Court at sinabi ng Supreme Court immediately executory, dapat kumilos yung Senate. Pag hindi kami kumilos doon, what's to stop us in small or big decisions later on? And then lastly, yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba, na ang spirit ng Constitution, isang impeachment lang. At yun din ang desisyon. So kung nakabitin siya o nasa purgatorio, ika nga, buhay pa yung impeachment. So by the time na mag-file ulit, kung sino man magpa-file ng February 6, ang nangyari buong taon may impeachment. Hindi yun ang spirit ng Constitution. Spirit ng Constitution, once lang yan, a year, and then harapin nung dapat haharap doon. Can I address one more issue? No? Sabi ni Senator Risa, ikakabit mo yung ebidensya. Eh, paano yun? Pati mga witnesses, ebidensya, paano mo proprotektahan? Like in this case, no? In this case, you're not impeaching the president. You're impeaching a vice president na kalaban ng administrasyon. Hindi kaya ng administrasyon protektahan ang mga witnesses at ebidensya. Diba? And in the past, we have impeached presidents and been able to put our witnesses forward. Whether it's the Hello Garcia or before that, Senator Cheese and I at kung sino man mga kasama namin have been able to do that. So yes, importanteng protektahan ang witnesses, di ba? Pero hindi pwedeng yun ang dahilan para wag i-attach ang mga ebidensya kung mag-i-impeach tayo ng impeachable officer. Kasi sabi nga ng Supreme Court, di ba, void ab initio. Kaya nga sabi ko, parang sinabi sa iyo, there was never an us. Di ba? Kasi iba yung sabihin mong ex ko yun. Iba yung sabihin mong dati pero divorce na kami ngayon or hindi na kami. Iba yung sabihin mong there was never an us. So, pag sinabing void ab initio, from the start, wala yon. Kaya, kung sinabi ng Supreme Court may mali lang, pero hindi siya void ab initio, dapat nag-convert kami into a impeachment court ngayon. Pero sinabi kasi na from the start. So from the start, there's no impeachment court. Because of the word immediately executory and the decisions that explain that. And I think it's consistent kasi dun sa bar. Kasi kung walang bar, if the Constitution said we can file as many every year, di pabayaan natin pending, pwede naman pala eh. Pero sabi ng Constitution, one lang a year, after that it's barred. At sabi ng Supreme Court, it's barred because of the first three na hindi inactionan. So again, there'll never be a perfect decision. Diba? Kaya nga adversary. There's adverse sides. It's adversarial. There's may one side, there's the other side. It just so happen na hati ang mga legal luminary ngayon. Diba? That's why I was saying nga, advocate tayo. Kung yun ang tingin mo, I respect that. Pero kung sabihin, eto yung tama, eto mali. Kasi nga, in the end, it's the Supreme Court who will say na eto yung prevailing na doktrina. Patay na pwedeng buhayin. So kung tinable, buhay yon na pwedeng patayin. Sinang tabi lang. Pagka in-archive mo na, patay na yon. Kaya nga mo in-archive. Ang archive is like the burial ground. Diba? Pero pwedeng buhayin. If the Supreme Court reverses itself and says that there was jurisdiction. Pero even if the Supreme Court reverses itself partially, pero sinabi pa rin na void ab initio, patay pa rin yun. So February 6 pa rin ang reckoning date.